Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pomni's door icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the eyes with 2 circles. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another set of circles. Now inside each of these, let's add a smaller circle on the top right. Next, let's add the pattern inside her eyes. Let's start with a line down in the center, and then a diagonal line going down to the right, and then one going the opposite way. Next, let's add the eyelashes. For the left eye, let's draw 3 lines coming out from the bottom. And then for the right eye, 3 from the top. And lastly, underneath each eye, let's add a curve, around, and back up. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a curve in and towards the center. And then a larger curve on top. Now let's do the same thing on the right, but smaller. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw the pieces of hair going down. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve going down. Then let's hop in and let's draw another longer line down. And then close off the bottom of each piece with a diagonal line. And that's it for the hair. Now in between, let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the head. And then hop inside and let's draw an upside down curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and draw the hat. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up towards the center. And then let's bring it behind the hair and down to the right side. And then let's do the same thing on top. Now let's move on top in the center and let's draw a small line up. And then from the top, let's curve it up and out on both sides. Now from the ends, let's curve it down. And then curve it up and in from the end. And then one more curve back down to the head on both sides. Next, at the ends of the hats, let's add a circle. And lastly, let's move inside and draw the stripe pattern on the hat. Let's start from the top corners and let's curve it down. And then from the ends, let's curve it up and back down. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for the head. Now before we draw the body, let's draw the circle shape around. Let's start on top and between the hat, let's draw a curve. And then let's continue it down and around, forming a circle shape. Now that we have the shape of the icon, we can draw the body. Let's start underneath the head in the center and let's draw 2 angled lines down and out. And then from the bottoms, let's curve it back up. And now from both sides, let's curve it down to the bottom for the sides of the body. Now let's hop in and add some details. From the center, let's draw a line down, and then add a large circle underneath. And then underneath, let's continue that line down. Next, let's move to the sides and add the sleeves. From the top of the body, let's draw a curve out, and then curve it behind the hair and down. And the same on the right. Then let's hop down and let's add another curve for the bottom of the sleeves. And lastly, inside each one, let's add 2 more curves. And that's it for Pomni's door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!